Roam Free Adventure Series. Haven't seen this in a while up here. One of my favorite little summits. But if you'll notice in here, this is a fabulous ladybug habitat. And look at, I mean, I don't know, this is just what they're doing. They're breeding and laying eggs, but just look at all the ladybugs. I mean, thousands and thousands and thousands of them. Hi guys, gals, ladies. And I don't know what they're doing. Like, but look at them. There's just, and it's like raining ladybugs. That's so cool, isn't it? Making babies. It's amazing. Don't want to hurt them. Just checking them out. But it is just covered in ladybugs. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. How many ladybugs do you think that is? Just, I don't even know. On this one bush. Amazing. Roam free.